Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can use Paintbrush in Adobe Illustrator in 2026. So let us guide you through this. So guys, navigate to your document or artboard on Adobe Illustrator and you will find the Paintbrush tool here on the left hand side. You may also use the shortcut B for that, left click into it. And now you can start drawing with your left mouse. So we got, for example, face like this. And then guys, you may of course also customize the stroke of the given paintbrush by, for instance, here under the properties, you may increase the stroke intensity and change the opacity here. Click into the stroke color, for instance, to pick a color and then use it here to draw instead of using, for instance, shapes or something like that. So that's how you use the Paintbrush tool here on Adobe Illustrator. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.